Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to coat with the OptiFlex Pro, and specifically we're going to talk about coating some flatter, easy to coat products. A lot of times people are a little unsure of what settings to be using for the OptiFlex Pro. So let's talk about electrostatically how we might approach this type of product. For most people, they might be tempted to utilize the easy or flat parts mode. That's a factory preset setting which allows the gun to achieve its maximum power of 100,000 volts and 100 microamps. That is certainly one option that would work utilizing the preset, but there is another option electrostatically that's available. With the OptiFlex Pro, we have introduced the breakthrough technology of the Power Boost. Get it here to the Power Boost program, and I've set in the custom program mode the Power Boost setting, which is 110,000 volts of electrostatic power and up to 110 microamps. Power Boost mode gives you additional charging power, which gives us the ability to achieve a higher efficiency, and certainly on something that would be a flat surface like these panels, like this is a small sample of a bathroom partition, but the door represents really something that would be rather large in size and flat. There's no real geometry to that. It would allow us to be able to utilize the charging power out of the gun. The technique for coating a product like this is pretty straightforward. We would want to be able to utilize the nozzle in such a way that we're taking advantage of the pattern. This particular nozzle is our NF40 nozzle, which is a fan pattern. In this case, it's arranged vertically. So for this type of application, we would trigger the gun at about a 6 to 10 inch target distance. We would place the gun, just to kind of give you an idea of the target distance. We'd probably be somewhere here, maybe to as much as here, to take advantage of the full charging power. But in any event, once we have established our target distance, we'd pull the trigger, and utilizing the vertical pattern, we would just transverse across the panel in a zigzag motion, overlapping about 50% of the pattern each time that we're moving. And again, trying to go as slow as possible for us to be able to achieve a good uniform coating. Again, in this particular angle, it's hard for me to hold that 6 to 10 inch distance, but again, trying to keep the gun at a good distance away so that we maximize our charging efficiency, going slow, and taking advantage of the pattern shape that is being emitted from the nozzle. That's a very easy way to utilize the OptiFlex Pro with a very flat, easy to coat part. And again, you can utilize the Power Boost mode, or you can utilize the standard flat parts mode. Either one will allow you to achieve successful results. Hopefully that helps you to understand how to coat with the OptiFlex Pro on a simple or easy to coat product. And if you have more questions, feel free to check us out on social media or contact our authorized distributor. We'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And again, thank you for watching.